webs. And today, we're going to be doing the cherry bomb challenge. Dab. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3. You took all my balance. 1, 2, 3. Yo, pretty high that one. Pretty high. Gold, gold. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think I dislocated my knee. Let's do it again. No screaming aloud. Okay. Okay. Move forward. You move. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is gonna be like really boring since we're not screaming. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought you said this. Kayla, you lost. Rick, I lost. 1 point, Delaney. Ding. Okay. We'll get 3 strikes. 3. Okay. No, whoever gets the most at the end. Okay. Okay. Ready? Stop. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Okay, it's 1-1. 1-1. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Oh! Kayla, you screamed. Oh, frick. You have 2. Dab. 1, 2. Okay, ready? 1, 2. This is so awkward. Okay, ready? Set. 1, 2, 3. Kayla! Oh, no! If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you liked it. Bye. I'm going to do the back flip swerve. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Down, and you do the swerve. You step, and you turn. Here. Back foot down. Okay. Down. Haven't already? Give this video a dislike.